What is up, everyone, and welcome back to JB Outdoors, where we do everything outdoors. Today, I have a cool little fishing challenge for y'all. Andy invited me out here again. This is his lake that he owns a piece of property on, and it's a perfect opportunity for us to show off these cool monster grubs. Look at these guys. These things are absolutely huge. Huge grubs. So we're gonna do a little fishing challenge and see what we can target today. I'm absolutely hoping that we can target some enormous crappie. Today I brought just two poles. One's a medium light action 6-foot ugly stick, and the other one is my garage sale special for $5. It's an ultralight. I'm gonna do two different jig heads. One's a yellow eye black jig head, and the other one's all sorts of cool neon colors. So I bought these at Walmart. Actually, my wife bought them for me for Christmas last year. Thanks, babe. And thanks to her and my mother-in-law, we have some of these humongous, huge, nasty looking grubs. I hope they do us well. This lake is small, but it's known to produce some pretty big fish. And Andy is actually still out there. He is just hooting and hollering and pretty excited. Caught something big, so I can't wait to go see. But let's get this stuff rigged up and get on the water. Something showed some interest. Almost got it. We'll see what we can do with little buddy's head. See if something will want his head. There we go. We got something on. Something feels kind of good. I don't know though. Hard to tell. Always. Oh man. Thumper. Little thumper bluegill. Oh, I need to give myself some slack. Oh, what did I do that for? Came back for it. Nice bluegill. If only I could have caught, like, man, he is pissed too. Oh man, he's pissed. Sorry, buddy. Look at that big old bluegill. He is just pissed. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Another guy. This seems to work the best. Right behind its head. I don't know if that's its head. And then through its back. The problem is their bodies are so soft. Something else. No. Oh, get him in here. Oh, thank you.
Dude, that's a good one.
Oh, it's exactly what we wanted to target today. That is exactly, God, that is a, oh, you can see. Oh man, that is so cool. That's exactly what I needed.
Like 13 inches.
Oh man, yeah, that's a nice crappie. That's probably 10, 11, I don't know. And of course, I didn't bring my tripod. Can't get a picture with you, buddy. All right, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. There he goes. Perfect. Now you know what I'm gonna hear, right? Adri texted me a picture of these grubs and she said, "Do you want these?" I'm like, "No, I don't think I'm gonna be out fishing anymore this week." And she goes, "I think you should take them and make yourself go fishing." I'm like, "Okay, I'll take them." Yeah. I'm glad I did. Couldn't have done it without her. Thanks, babe. It's like when you get chicken and there's like a super hard piece of chicken. It's like that. Oh, that'd be so cool if I could find my hat. Then my wife wouldn't be mad at me. For now. Oh, I'm gonna. Did you see my new one? Yeah. I told Adri when I got home I lost my hat, and she got mad because it was something that I bought on our honeymoon. And then she went into her bedroom and grabbed this hat. She said she bought it for me in July for Christmas. There's got to be more of them big hogs in here. Something else. You going that way. Another bluegill. Another decent sized bluegill. God, if I would have had these last weekend, we wouldn't, or shoot, that was probably 2 weekends ago. Another big bluegill. Perfect eaters. I'll let them go. See if you guys can see that. I haven't even tried that other color yet. I don't know if I will. This is like a super dark colored water. We call it root beer. It's root beer water. Oh, getting tangled in all these weeds, Ricky. I like this pole. Not bad for... Oh, there was something I missed him. Not bad for $5. Oh no, he's still there. He was running right at me. Huh. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Whoa! Another hog. God, these things, they just keep getting bigger. Okay. Okay. Man. That has got to be one of the biggest bluegills I have ever caught. Oh. See if I can lip him. Oh. Look at that. I can lip him. He's so big. Oh, but I'm not going to hold him like that. God, that is a big bluegill. I don't have anything to measure or anything. I'm not in my own boat. There's that thing sure is. Just a hog. It's got a 10, I don't know. It's probably 10-inch bluegill. Not beat up or anything. Alright, I'm going to get him back in the water. Maybe you guys can see that release. There he goes. Man. Oh, I can't say thank you enough to my wife for getting me these grubs. Oh, there was one. Oh, he's there too. He's there. He's there. Oh, he feels good. He feels good. He feels good. Okay. Okay, the wind screwed me. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my god. Wind is just taking me too. Oh man. This could be my PB crappie. Oh, this could be my PB crappie. Settle down, Justin. Pliers, he couldn't have choked it. I had no idea he was there. Oh my god. Settle down. Oh, sorry, bud. We're gonna get it. There, we got it. We got it. Holy cow. Another one. It's probably about the same size as the one before. Man, if I could do this every day. Okay, Going back in, nice and slow. Nice and slow, take your, here he goes. Perfect. Man, what a great day. Started running with it. It's a nice one. It's something nice. Something nice. Stay down. Stay out of the. Oh no! Oh no! No! Okay. Well, unfortunately, my phone ran out of storage while I was out on the water, but fortunately I didn't catch any more fish after that. So you missed a couple good hits, but it was an awesome day for crappie, bluegill, and Andy slammed bass. He caught almost his personal best bass. He of course couldn't get his phone out fast enough to get a picture of it, but that's okay. He's got a picture of a few other bass that I will add right after this, kind of on the outro screen. So I took a couple of good pictures of my crappie. A couple of the bluegill I caught were just some monsters out of this lake. So I'm really happy to be able to do this, and of course I thank Andy for letting me use. He brought a kayak, everything for me to use. Let me use his property, let me use his lake, everything. So I'm super excited and fortunate, happy to do this. So this was the first successful fishing trip that I've had that I've filmed, so it's a really neat experience for me. I appreciate all of you watching. If you could like this video, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part was. Maybe if you liked kayak fish, if you like kayak fishing, let me know. Let me know the biggest fish you caught out of a kayak. So far, I think mine was a 3.98 pound bass, a largemouth bass out of a kayak. And that was a long time ago. But yeah, I appreciate you watching. If you made it this far of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate everything.